papers. So here you have a lot of sections which you can choose from. You have the pumpkin, you have the skeleton, you have the ghost, you have the witch, and also you have the mummy section which you can choose your wallpaper. So let's say for the pumpkin section here, you're going to select a wallpaper from the section here. You may see some of these wallpaper with a play icon here. So those wallpaper, you're going to need to watch an ad to get them. Some of them, you don't need to watch an ad to get them. So do keep that in mind as well. As you can see here, you can select any one of these wallpapers that you would like to add to your lock screen or your home screen, whichever one you choose. Let's say for example, this one at the top here, I'm going to select this option. I can pretty much set this here as my wallpaper. And yeah, that's pretty much how easy this application is to use. And you can also tap on our icon to select something else. Some of them you may see a metal icon here. You're going to need to watch an ad to unlock this wallpaper here. And as you can see down here, you may see a camera icon, I should say. So you're going to need to watch an ad to unlock this wallpaper here. So that's really pretty much it for the application. Nothing much. And very
You always want.
So if I missed anything at all in this tutorial, please comment below and let me know. See you in the next one.